Chief Election Officer Meghalaya upa FR Kharkongor negasngi ulayo ban plat ba electors verification program EVP hapo West Castle District Lingbak Electoral Literacy Club hakajing ilang kabalong po hall yung school JNV ng Stoin uba FR Kharkongor CEO haba ajing kran nakatigijing lang kumukong san uloong baka electors verification program kadai ka program nakabanta ban weng gijing khamtam hakabay day bat kijing penbay igidur thabot Shushu lai thuru baka thong bat kijing tmu jong ki electors verification program kalong ban penjanai hakabay David ki electoral roll badru ban wanra kijing syakri ka bapaka nakabanta ki pajba hakabay David ki kam ka election u CEO ul ajing ro ka West Castle District dakaba uloong baka day ka district ka batray kam shat bat ka deru ka district ka balalam Khmat ka jala hakabay David kijing Pyntrei kam ki kam ka election kijing pelaj ka ki EVP jong ka jala kalong bakong sngewbha namar baka electoral literacy club kalong ko bakong sambahan mar klem ka EVP ka ELC kan long suda batli hakati ka singila yoro jingkran no ba KG nong room system engineer balay thuru ba lingba ka program jong EVP program kinong tabot kila ban pinsisha hakabay day bat kijing don kambaro ay kidur tabot dakaba kila ban page na ka website nvsp kabalatip kom ka nvsp.in lane lingba ka mobile app badaka balay ru si common service center kadba nakaliang jong deputy commissioner ko West Castles ba tilingwa long banakaliang jong CEO ula simkhya hakabay day bat ki EVP bot ula kermenru balang baga ne program on sayo aga jing simbanta baklan ni pajba yakata jing lang lawan ban simtaru di officer ni tanat sokar ba per jing district kan thobi khna school kino hikai bat ki wei
were part of the ELC evaluation in the first stage of the implementation of the ELCs, and that was Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and third was Meghalaya. And why they chose Meghalaya was also mainly because of West Castle District, because of your very active work in the ELC domain. We are very happy and we are indeed very encouraged by the fact to see that the ELCs of West Castles are taking the lead and are providing a vibrant space in the electoral scenario of the state. Because the building blocks of democracy is the young people. I mean, they are the young people, and all of you who are in this age group, which will be approaching 18 years, are in fact the future of the nation. This is the state launch of EVP program amongst ELCs, and ELCs play a very integral role in this entire exercise because an EVP program without ELCs would be incomplete, because as the DC had mentioned in his opening remarks, you will be able to carry this message to your families and to your parents that it is highly essential to carry out and to undertake the electoral verification program. Now all of you are students. Just imagine if there was a mistake in your admit cards. In your admit cards when you go and appear for your examination, if there's a spelling mistake in your name or in your roll number, then perhaps even all the hard work that you may do in your exams will be meaningless. In West Castles, I'm sure that it is the achievement of another milestone, and it will also show the example. As I said in the beginning, the sun rises in the east, but here, as far as our election work goes, it starts in the west.
Verification program. What is this program actually? This program is for those electors who are already enrolled in the electoral roll. Now, just mere enrolling without checking that the details are correct or not is not complete. So what is needed is that the Election Commission of India introduced this program this year before the summary revision of electoral roll for all the electors whose name are there in the electoral roll to verify themselves.
As a cluster combining of quite a number of polling stations located here in North Side proper. So we have the presentation from the office of the CEO and a very technical deliberation from the CEO. So I don't have much to say now. I only wish that Your active participation here will be very meaningful, very fruitful.